So we adopted this cat in Costa Rica about 10 years ago. He was living by himself in the jungle. He was the coolest cat you've ever seen. I mean, he was hunting. He had 2 giant holes in his side. He was fighting for his life every night. And we're staying at this Airbnb, and we start feeding the cat. And we were there for a month. And so by the end, we had to take the cat. We were like, this guy's gonna die. Now he's relying on us. He moves into our house. He never went outside ever again. Cut to, the cat ends up with a brain tumor. And that's okay. We take him to we get him radiation. We take him, he's the toughest jungle cat. I'm not gonna let a brain tumor take this cat out. And I take him to the animal hospital here. And I meet the cat neurologist. Dude's name is Chad. And Chad goes, this cat doesn't really have a quality of life anymore. And I said, I agree. I'm gonna have that conversation. I'm gonna bring him back in 3 weeks, and if he's not better. And Chad said, I could load him up on steroids. And I go, what do you mean? He goes, I mean, I could give him like a bunch of steroids. Are there long-term issues with that? And he goes, yeah, massive long-term issues with that. But like, we can just see what happens. That was 2.5 years ago. Now he's Jack, and I joke that he's like Arnold Schwarzenegger. He's like, good morning. He's like got muscles on muscles, you know what I mean? He looks great. He looks great.